In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Squarespace form submissions. Whether you're a small business owner or a creative professional, Squarespace forms can be a vital part of your website's functionality, allowing you to collect important data from your audience. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to access this data easily. Let's begin our journey by heading to your Squarespace home. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of your Squarespace account. This is the control center of your website, where you can manage all facets of your online presence. It's here that you'll have the ability to handle everything from design tweaks to analytics, and more importantly for us today, your contacts. Next, with the dashboard open before you, look for the section labeled Contacts. Go ahead and click on it. What you're doing here is diving into the heart of your interactions. The Contacts section is like the hub of relationships for your site, a place where you can see who has reached out to you through your Squarespace forms. It's also where you'll manage all previous communications, helping you maintain and nurture your professional relationships. Moving forward, you'll want to find and click on Lists and Segments. In this area, Squarespace organizes contacts into meaningful categories, making it easier to engage with different groups of people based on their interactions with your site. Lists and segments allow you to filter and sort your contacts, providing a quick way to see who's been filling out your forms and what exactly they're interested in. Now, let's hone in on the core of today's task. Look for and click on Form Submitters. Here, you'll find a complete list of individuals who have ever filled out one of your forms. This is an intuitive way to gather insights about your audience. Perhaps you want to see which forms are garnering the most engagement, or simply verify submission details. This area is where you can systematically review all submissions received, enabling you to understand trends and the effectiveness of your forms. While exploring the Form Submitters section, you have several options. You can view the specifics of each submission, providing valuable insights into what your audience is interested in or concerned about. This can inform how you might adjust your marketing strategies or product offerings. Additionally, Squarespace allows you to download this data if you wish to analyze it further using other tools or platforms. So, there you have it, a complete walkthrough of how to view your Squarespace form submissions. By knowing how to access and interpret this data, you'll be better equipped to engage with your audience, meet their needs, and ultimately enhance the overall experience offered by your website. Thanks for watching, and feel free to practice these steps to become more familiar with your Squarespace tools. See you next time.